As far as December weather goes, I mean, we're pretty on par for what we should be expecting today.
Exactly right, with highs right around the mid to the upper 40s in a few spots. But by tomorrow afternoon and in a good part of your work week, Kelsey, is going to be downright cold. So the first first full week of December, I should say, is going to be very cold as that east wind kicks in. Highs in the low 40s, but with the breezy conditions and the wind chill, it's going to be feeling much cooler than that. Here's a live look now from our riverfront camera. You can kind of look out in the distance. Some of those morning clouds that we're waking up to are starting to burn off a little bit. It's going to be more filtered sunshine heading into the later part of your Sunday afternoon. Today, a chance to see some light showers. For the most part, it's going to be along the foothills of the mountains and the east side of the metro area, and a little bit of some patchy fog along the coast and in the metro area as well. That fog will turn into freezing fog by tomorrow morning as temperatures drop in the upper 20s to the low 30s for your overnight lows. This week, breezy east wind, cold overnight temperature like I was just telling you. Next chance for rain doesn't arrive until next weekend. Here's a pretty shot of seeing a little bit more of the sunshine along the coast from our Newport camera. Temperatures in the mid to the upper 30s out there, and no matter where you go, the coast, the valley, and the mountains, you're going to be seeing some cold air funneled in here over the next few days, so get used to it. We'll start to dry out a little bit by midday. By 4 o'clock, we'll be looking at a temperature of 46 degrees. So with the threat of some showers here in between now and I'd say the later part of the morning, we are going to be more dry than wet. You can see a little bit of some green popping up on your screen there. It's not going to be adding up to a whole lot. If you're traveling over the mountain passes, snow level is going to be at 2,000 feet today. So some slick spots along Highway 26, but don't expect to see any new snow over the next few days. So I have this stopped here late tonight and early tomorrow morning. That ridge of high pressure will start to move in, and as it does, we'll start to see some areas of dense freezing fog develop. So both tomorrow morning and Tuesday morning, you could be seeing some slick spots as you head out on your morning commute. So be aware of that. Maybe give yourself just a little extra time to plan ahead. So patchy morning fog along the coast. Temperature is close to 50 degrees, and throughout the metro area and up and down the I-5 corridor, mostly cloudy skies with a slight chance to see some light showers along the east side of the metro area. Portland 46 and Kelso and southwest Washington topping out in the mid-40s. Pretty calm conditions throughout the Columbia River Gorge out there today. That changes tomorrow as that wind really starts to just howl throughout the gorge and into the metro area, with highs only topping out in the low 40s by tomorrow. A few snow showers early up on the mountain, but it's going to be staying icy and slick. So be aware of that if you're going to be traveling in that direction here the next couple of hours. And throughout the eastern side of the state, Pendleton 39 degrees, Burns, you'll be seeing a high of 34 degrees. And then by tomorrow, there'll be a lot of sunshine by the afternoon, but again, both Monday and Tuesday, we'll start to see some areas of freezing fog, followed by a lot of sunshine, but you're not going to be wanting to spend too much time outside because the breezy east wind is going to make it feeling much like the upper 20s in a few spots. And then we'll start to warm up a little bit toward the end of the week, and especially by the first part of next weekend. But that's when showers move in. But good news for skiers and snowboarders. Looks like we'll be seeing another round of snow showers up the mountains next weekend.